Hi children, welcome to our Sheba Matriculation Higher Secondary online class. I hope you would have enjoyed my first class. So this is our second day class. Okay, so I hope you all may be very happy. Today it is about the poem Crocodile. You will really enjoy it. Even I am very happy to see you all. Okay, let us move to our poem. Okay, it is about the crocodile. Did you see the crocodile? Even though it is very dangerous animal, we love to see the crocodile because we can't see the crocodile all over. Okay, you can see in the lake or in the zoo only. So we are very much excited to see the crocodile. Okay, so let us see who has written this poem. The crocodile poem was written by Lewis Carroll. He has written this poem about the crocodile. He was a famous English writer. So, for example, we are reading the books, everything. So, someone has maybe written that book, no? So, the same way the poem of the crocodile was written by the Lewis Carroll. Okay, and he has written one book, famous book, that is Alice in Wonderland. Even all the girls kid like to see the Alice in Wonderland cartoon picture as well as the book, story book, because different types of pictures were very much attracted to the children. You love and you enjoy. That Alice in the Wonderland book also was written by this author, Lewis Carroll. Okay, so let us move to the poem. Come on. So, how doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail? Means how doth, in the olden days for does only they used to write as an doth. Okay, so how doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail? This is the, I have drawn the crocodile for you. See how nicely I have drawn, that is because of you only. This is known as the tail. This picture is of crocodile and this is the tail. So the author has explained the crocodile has a shining tail. Okay, then and pours the water of the Nile. Nile is a river. So the crocodile used to live in the Nile river. So it used to pour the water on the golden scale. Okay, this is all known as the scale. This crocodile lives in the Nile river and it pours the water on the scale. Okay, and then on every golden scale, how cheerful he seems to grin. Really, if the crocodile is in the water, it has more strength, it has more energy. But when it comes to the land, it doesn't have that much strength. That means it doesn't have strength. It is not like that. It have more strength when it is inside the water. Okay. So, how neatly spread his claws and welcome little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Okay. Now, first let me see. This one explain. I told you this is the shining tail. This is the golden skull, claws and then jaws. Okay, so for example, do you like to play in the water? Of course, everyone like to play in the water. If you go for the beach, you go only to enjoy in the water. For swimming pool, really you enjoy in the water. The same way the crocodile enjoys very well when it is in the water. Okay, so and here it is explained about. See, and welcomes little fishes in gently smiling jaws. For example, if your mother brings chocolate for you, how do you feel? You will feel very happy. What will you do with the chocolate? Immediately you will open the chocolate, the wafer, everything, and you will put it in your mouth. That means you will eat it. The same way, if the crocodile see the fishes, if the crocodile see the fishes, it was very happy because the crocodile food is fish. So by seeing his food, it feels very happy. It open its jaw with smiling. That means this jaws with the smiling. That means it was very happy. Okay, now I can catch the fish and eat. My hunger will be fulfilled. So that only it is mentioned in this poem. Once again, let me read that poem. Okay. So how doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pours the water of the Nile on every golden scale? How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spread his claws and welcomes little fishes in with gently smiling jaws. Although it is written as a, if you see for scale also the spelling is SCALE only. But here you have to take as a skull only, not scale. That measuring scale, it is not mentioned here. It is mentioned on the golden scale. That means it is mentioned that everything. It is mentioned fully and fully about the crocodile only. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed this one. I hope you would have enjoyed the poem. Even I was very happy. I think so you understand this poem, no? Okay, now let us move to the grammar topic. Okay, so to frame a sentence or to make a sentence, verb is needed. Without verb, you can't make a sentence. So you may think, what is verb? Verb means action words. Action words means what? Sing, fly, clap, dance, cry, sweep, whatever it is. These all action words are known as the verbs. Without verb, you cannot make a sentence. So children, now you are small. Just now only you came to the 6th standard. So you must know to frame a sentence. How to frame a sentence without making mistake. That we will see. Okay, come on, let us move. First one is about beach. For example, they have given one word, that is beach. From that word you have to frame a sentence. Immediately if beach is there, you could think it. When you go to the beach, you see the water, you see the sand, everything. So what you will do? You will play on the ground. So thinking all this, you can frame any one sentence about the beach. So that I have written on the blackboard for you. See, we like to play in the sandy beach. Here, why I have written we? You can write I also. I means, that means only yourself it will come. We means you can go with your brother, your sister, with you would have went to the beach. So only I mentioned here we. We means more than one person. Okay. So we like to play in the sandy beach. This is the beach. For the beach you have written the sentence. So how the sentence you have framed? You have framed that we like to play in the sandy beach. Okay. You can write in simple also. I like to play in the sandy beach. Like that you can write. Yeah, otherwise I like to play in the beach. So I like to watch. Yeah, I like to go to beach. Like that you can frame the sentence by your own. Second one is about swimming. Really, everyone loves swimming. Even you, all the small kids, really you would like swimming. Okay, so using the swimming word, you have to frame a sentence. So let us see how I have framed the sentence. I like swimming. If swimming is there, everyone likes swimming. So you can write I like swimming. Yeah, you can write we like swimming. Yeah, otherwise my father likes swimming. Like that you can frame a sentence about swimming. Third one is about motorboat. So motorboat, using the motorboat, you can frame a sentence. Yeah, how you can frame a sentence? We went on a motorboat. Yeah, otherwise my uncle went on a motorboat. You can write, yeah, my father and mother, when we went to our native place, we went on a motorboat. Like that you can frame a sentence by your own. So crabs. Do you know what is crab? Crab, you can see in the sea, everything crab. Everyone likes to eat the crab. Even I like crab very much. Children, do you like to eat crab? That is a seafood. Okay. So, by using the crab, how can you make a sentence? People eat crab as a seafood. People eat the crab as a seafood. Okay. So, they cook the crab and they eat to make the delicious, to taste. Okay. So, sand. The last one is given about the sand. Do you know sand? Everyone know. You can see in the beach, the outside also, playground also you can see the sand. So by using this sand, you must make a sentence. So children play on the sand. Okay, here I have written that sentence for one example. I have given children play on the sand. You can write my sister likes to play on the sand. You can write, yeah, my brother likes to play on the sand. You can write. So by using the sand, you can write, you can frame the sentence by your own. So let us revise this one time. Okay. First one is beach. We like to play in the sandy beach. We like to play in the sandy beach. Second, swimming. I like swimming. I like swimming. Third, motorboat. We went on a motorboat. Okay. Then crabs. So, people eat crab as seafood. I told you, you can write yourself, you can frame a sentence by yourself also, that I like to eat crab, like that. Yeah, my mother purchased crab for me. Anything you can frame by your own sentence and you can write. The same only you have to write, it is not like that. You can frame a sentence by your own, but without making mistake, grammatical mistake. Okay, so last one is sand. Children play on the sand. So you may be think, why Miss has written that children? Children means more than one person only. Children. For children only, yes, it will not come at all. For children, child is the singular. Plural form is children. It won't come as in children's. If you write as in children's, if s is added in the children, that means that is wrong. So only children, that is in the children means plural form only, more than one person. I hope you would have understand this one, children. Okay. Okay, children. Now let us see the correct meaning of the sentence. So you can make a sentence, but it should be very correct and meaningful. So let us see about it. Okay. So first one, it is tiny hatchling fall dash, means two type it is given, prey to many animals. Okay. So what is the difference between these two prey, you must say. Okay. This spelling is P-R-A-Y and for this prey spelling is P-R-E-Y. So you must know the difference between these two. For this pray, the meaning of this pray is you pray to God. Okay, you pray to God for any wish. If you want anything, you can pray to God. We say, for example, if you are not feeling well, something you want, what we will say to God? God, I pray for you, please, I want this thing, like that. The meaning of the prayer is this, you pray to the God. This prayer, the meaning of this prayer, it is that for the food of the animal. Okay, food of the animal. So here it is given, tiny hatchling fall dash to many animals. So the answer will come here, this prey. Okay. So already when we saw the sea turtle lesson, no, at that time I told you that after laying the eggs, the turtle used to go, the small turtle used to come out. But even though before coming that peoples used to take the eggs, then animals also used to eat the eggs. Then after that it comes outside. At that time that some eagle something, it pick up the turtles and he used to eat it. That means prey. It is to eat it. Okay. So the meaning of that one is this one, prey. Second one, sea turtles leave their dash in the sea. So here it is given, H-O-L-E is also whole, W-H-O-L-E also whole, but the meaning is different for this one. So this whole, H-O-L-E whole, for example, if you take, you brought one tiffin box, a water bottle. If there is one hole inside the water bottle, you will not able to fill the water in the water bottle, because through this hole, the water everything will come downside. Is it clear? The meaning of this whole means total, altogether. Okay, total, altogether. So the sea turtles live their whole life in the sea. Then will it be this whole H-O-L-E? No. Whole means full life. So the correct answer is whole, W-H-O-L-E. Okay. So now let us see the third one. The turtles come ashore only during the night. N-I-G-S-T, night, and that one is K-N-I-G-S-T, night. But what is the difference between these two? Means now daytime it is there. And that night means it becomes dark, you can't see anything outside. So that is known as the night of this meaning. This night means we say as an soldiers also we say as a night only. Okay, so what will be the correct answer for this one? The turtles come ashore only during the night. That means night time, when there is very dark, they can't see anything. At that time it comes outside. Now the fourth one, it is the predators follow the dash of the turtles to eat the eggs. Okay, how the animals comes to know whether there is a egg? It comes to know because of the scent of the smell. Scent means smell of the eggs. That eggs they lay, no, the smell of the eggs. So what will be the correct answer? This scent is also scent. Scent also scent, but the correct word it is scent. This meaning of this scent is smell. So the predators follow the smell. Scent means smell of the tortoise to eat the eggs. So scent is the correct answer for this one. Okay, now let us move to the fifth one. The female turtles lay eggs and go back to the dash. It is given. SEE is also C. SEA is also C. Means pronunciation is same, but the meaning of it is different. Okay, this C means I am seeing. I saw the picture. Now for example, I am seeing you all through this online class. Okay, so this C its meaning is different. See, this SEAC, that is means you can see that the river, lake. C means there is full of water, in that full of water. So you can say the female turtle lay the eggs and go back to the sea. Means where is the full of water? Sea. In sea there is full of water. So that is known as the sea. Full of water. So here you can write as an C. SEAC. Okay. Okay children. Now let us see this one. Use the clues and fill up the crossword puzzle. Everyone likes to play the puzzle. Even you are all small kids, you like to play. Okay, now let us see how to find out the answer and fill up in this puzzle. Okay, so I have drawn your pictures. By seeing this picture, you can solve it. Okay, so first one, this word rhymes with seen. Means this word it rhymes with seen. So see the pictures here. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in these 6 pictures only, the answer is hidden in this 6 picture. So see this one, which will be suitable for that one. So first one it is a hare, means like rabbit, sun it is given, then whale, deer, like that it is given. Okay, so this one, okay, see this picture, this is the scene. For example, if you see the any film you would have seen, any film you are, for example nowadays Bigil picture everyone likes it. So while seeing the picture, so many scenes will be there. In that you see, if Vijay is fighting, then means that first scene of Vijay is fighting is very nice. Second scene it is very boring, like that we say, no. So the meaning of this one is, this word rhymes with scene. So the answer is this one, this picture. So scene. So what is the spelling for the scene? Write down here, because here it is mentioned the first one. So SCENE. Correct? Okay. SCENE. Okay, so first one you got the answer. Second one, let us see. This animal has 2 horns and a spotted coat. 2 horns and a spotted coat, means back, on back it is a spotted coat. So see this one, what is here in this picture? Can you identify? Yeah, correct. This one is deer. Okay, the deer has 2 horns. Yes, you are not. In the back of it is there is the spotted, means like dot. Okay, so the second one answer is, this animal has 2 horns and a spotted coat. Means deer is the correct answer. So let us write here DEER. Okay, good. Third one, this is a huge sea animal. This is a huge sea animal. Everyone knows sea means water. So which it lives in the sea, water. So you have which is the water animal. Very easy to identify from this picture. Yeah, correct. This one is the answer, whale. Whale is the correct answer. Okay, so let us write the third one, whale. WHALE, whale. Okay, now let us see the fourth one, sound like hair. I told you the meaning, the spelling may be different, but pronunciation must be same, maybe same. So by seeing this picture, already this one is over, this one is over, this one is over. So very easy to identify within this 3 picture only. Okay, so that is it won't be, that one is also won't be. Okay, this one only will be the answer. Here is the answer for the fourth one. H-A-R-E. Okay, now let us see the fifth one. Shines brightly. Which shines brightly? It shines very brightly. So, now this picture is also over. So, only we have the remaining two picture. So, one is this one and this one. Yes, very good. Good. You are very intelligent children. Sun is the correct answer. So, let us write the sun. So, what is the spelling for the sun? S-U-N. Very good. Now, we have find the five correct answer. Only one last one is remaining. Let us see the last one. Okay, rhymes with load. Do you know rhyming word we used to say? Load. Load means what it will come. Only one picture is remaining. So, what we say for this one? Road. Where do you walk? On the road. Okay, so the rhyming word for the load is road. Very good. So, the answer is road. So, what is the spelling for road? R-O-A-D. Good. Very good. Now, we have completed this one. I hope you would have enjoyed this one, children. Okay. Before that, I want to give some instruction to you all. Okay. Be safe in your home. Obey your parents. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Okay. So, you may be getting bored in your home. So, just revise these lessons, everything, and write the homeworks, whatever it is given. Be safe in home. Thank you, children.